Welcome back to PC Error Detective, and in today's video, I'll show you how to crop in Adobe Illustrator so you can trim images or artwork quickly and get the exact look you want. Let's walk through the steps one by one. For step 1, open Adobe Illustrator and load the project that contains the image or object you want to crop. This prepares your workspace and makes everything ready for editing. For step 2, select the image by clicking on it with the selection tool. When the image is highlighted, you'll see a bounding box around it, which confirms it's ready for cropping. For step 3, go to the top toolbar and click the Crop Image button. Illustrator will show a warning if the image isn't embedded, so simply click OK to continue, and the crop handles will appear around the image. For step 4, drag the corners or sides of the crop box to adjust which part of the image you want to keep. This lets you visually choose the exact area you want to crop without affecting the rest of your design. For step 5, click Apply at the top to confirm the crop. Illustrator will trim everything outside the box, leaving you with a clean and precise cropped image inside your project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.